So guys, what is a thesis statement? I know many of you are bewildered when it comes to a thesis statement. I'll tell you just one simple thing. Thesis statement is just a fancy name given to opinion. So guys, if you're writing your opinion clearly in the introduction, it is nothing, just a thesis statement. So don't worry about anything, just write the opinion clearly in the introduction and thesis statement will be done perfectly. In this session, I'll be explaining you how to write a thesis statement effectively in your essays. For those who do not know me, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I'm a certified IELTS trainer. I help students clear their IELTS exam. So guys, thesis statement कैसे लिखते हैं? Once you have paraphrased this statement, every question has a statement followed by the question. So पहले statement आती है consuming junk food is injurious to health. उसके बाद question आता है do you agree or disagree. So first of all in the introduction we paraphrase and recently I have shot one video on paraphrasing as well. So पहले paraphrase करते हैं खाली statement को जो कि question से पहले होती है consuming junk food is injurious to health. ठीक है, सो वो पैराफ्रेज करने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस होना चाहिए दैट सेंटेंस शुड बी द ओपिनियन सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई टोटली सपोर्ट द अबव असर्शन डिस्पाइट सम, और आई टोटली सपोर्ट द अबव असर्शन एज, अब यहां पे आप रीजंस दे रहे हो, ठीक है, एज इट इज फुल ऑफ कैलोरीज एंड सैचुरेटेड फैट्स. सो आपने दो रीजंस दे दिए. आई टोटली सपोर्ट द अबव असर्शन एज the fast food products are full of calories and saturated fats. ठीक है, so for example ऐसा कुछ आप लिख रहे हो, this is an opinion, this is a thesis statement. Whereas in the next question आप opinion ऐसे ही लिख रहे हो but you do not totally agree. उस केस में आपको लगता है कि you are supporting this assertion to a major extent. So how will you be writing? So I support the above statement to a major extent डिस्पाइट सम इनहिबिशंस. इनहिबिशंस होते हैं आपके माइंड में जो डाउट्स हैं. सो आई सपोर्ट द अबव असर्शन टू अ मेजर एक्सटेंट डिस्पाइट सम इनहिबिशंस. अब यहां पे मैंने रीजंस नहीं आउटलाइन करी है, आई हैव जस्ट गिवन द थीसिस. इट इज जस्ट सिंपल थीसिस स्टेटमेंट विदाउट आउटलाइनिंग द रीजंस. वेयरएज इन द फर्स्ट वन मैंने दो रीजंस भी दी थी, एज इट इज फुल ऑफ कैलोरीज एंड सैचुरेटेड फैट्स. ठीक है, नाउ एक और मेथड है थीसिस स्टेटमेंट लिखने का, एंड दैट इज माय ओपिनियन डज नॉट फॉल इन विद द अबव स्टेटमेंट. सो आप बोल रहे हो कि मेरा ओपिनियन अबव स्टेटमेंट के साथ एग्री नहीं कर रहा. फॉर इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग एग्री आप लिख रहे हो my opinion does not fall in line with the above opinion, or my opinion does not fall in with the above opinion, with the above assertion, with the above statement. So guys, these are the three examples of writing a thesis statement. If you are an academic student, you are just aiming for 6.5 in the academic module, you can clearly mention I totally support the above assertion or I support the above assertion despite some inhibitions. Do not outline the reasons. But अगर आपको 7+ बैंड चाहिए, so अच्छी तरह बताओ. My opinion totally falls in line with the above assertion as these are injurious to health and without exercise one will not be able to improve or one will not be able to become fit. So आप अपना रीजन दे रहे हो. So simply speaking, if you will be like giving your opinion कि मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ, आपने अपना opinion दिया along with outlining the reasons, that is for 7+ band. Without outlining the reasons for academic module. So guys, I'm going to keep it short today. This is more than enough for the thesis statement. In case you face any problem in this, do let me know in the comment section and do try to write your thesis statement in the comment section for the same question I mentioned in the beginning. Consuming fast food is injurious to health. Do you agree or disagree? कैसे लिखोगे इसका thesis? मुझे बताओ in the comments and I'll let you know whether it's correct or wrong. That's all for today guys, and I'll see you again with an amazing video. Thank you so much. If you like this content, consider subscribing to my channel and share it with those in need. Thank you.